So these are gorgeous, but what in the world are they? I make these. I've designed them and printed them myself. These are 3D printed, and they're pretty slick. And what these are jiggers. You know what a jigger is. When you make an adult beverage, you need something to measure the alcohol with. So this one right here is a shot on the small side, and a double shot on the top side. So you pour it in. This one here is a half shot and a full shot. So you got a half and a full and a double right here. Awesome to measure your alcohol with and make your beverages, your adult beverages, the same every time. You pour it in there by hand, you're going to get it right sometimes, you're going to get it wrong sometimes, but it's always a guess. With this, you get exactly the same thing every time. You're going to get all kinds of colors. There'll be varying colors. You notice the one on the left is kind of a green gold. The one on the right is kind of a purple gold. The colors are going to vary, but the quality is going to be good, and they're going to last. You just rinse these back out, set them on the shelf, and they're ready to go for next time. We keep ours sitting up on the shelf with everything else where we need them. And that's that.